It's a very long journey. I've been doing these dramas since I was a kid, and I just love it that I'm doing the drama with the same team.
Then one fine day, it so happened that she came to know that this South Mumbai drama is not going to happen because Premlila Mataji, who would direct previously, she said, I have to take care of my health. Somehow, one day, somewhere, she met Mataji and said, Mataji, we must do drama. Why aren't we doing dramas?
She's like, yeah, we're doing the drama, but, and I had like that beaming smile, Guru Puja is going on, and I'm like, oh yes, Mataji, are you serious about it? And she's like, yeah, but, you know, Radharani Priya Mataji is a very sweet devotee. So she's not going to be the strict person. I want you to play the bad cop, and you'll have to change, you will have to take up charge, you'll have to do things, because then only the drama will work. And I was like, forget it, it's okay, I don't mind. As far as the drama is happening, I'll do whatever is needed.
राधे राधे भैया, मेरा नाम रुचि सोनी है और मैं राधा रानी प्रिय माता जी के साथ ड्रामा में पार्ट ले रही हूँ और मेरा रोल है ब्रिजवासी का। और किशोरी जी के आशीर्वाद से मैं सबके साथ यहाँ बड़ी मस्ती कर रही हूँ।
I am a stern person for my children. Maybe for that reason I have got this role. Mine in particular I felt is challenging because I have to reject my Gurudev. Like, he is the one who is guiding us.
Playing Maharaj was one of the hardest things I had to portray as a character because he's very far apart from who I normally am, you know. And showing emotion in a drama, it's difficult, especially when you have to mimic someone who is, you know, everyone has seen him and he's an exalted personality. As a person, he's very humble, he's very soft-spoken, his, you know, go-get-it attitude, because he walked all the way to India. So I feel like I could relate to that. But I mean, his humility and his love is like the hardest thing to try and capture. The funniest moment was the first time we did our scene. Mataji was supposed to like poke her finger in my face and yell at me. But the problem was that every time I looked at her face, we both burst out laughing.
It's really challenging because I need to come out with the best emotion because यहाँ पर I don't have dialogue. I am very much similar to what my role is. That I don't become very strict with anyone. Neither I am, and I melt down easily.
And Yashoda is the universal mother, right? Her love for Kanha is not something that can be easily translated on stage. But this particular scene which Mataji has written is very interesting to play because it's a very sweet pastime between Kanha and Mother Yashoda. She's really amused by the way Kanha is taking forward or putting forward his points. So I can understand because children today love to manipulate. So Kanha is doing his very amazing manipulation pastime.
हाँ, तो मेरा रोल ऐसा है कि ये बाबा रात को नींद में राधे राधे बोल रहा है। श्रीचरण बाबा एक शुद्ध भक्त है, एक ब्रजवासी है और मैं मुंबई वासी हूँ और मैं दिन में राधे राधे बोलते सो जाता हूँ। तो ये बहुत मेरे लिए मुश्किल है इतना बड़े पर्सनालिटी का रोल करना।
So I don't know anything about medicine, but yes, in terms of the mood, doctors are very selfless in terms of their service to the community, to the patients.
Because we are doing this Jugalbandi, we are, talking, or she's shouting at me, and I am like a innocent Brajvasi Bhahu, I'm just looking down. But these little things Mataji has told us, you can do that. Otherwise, I don't think so in any other play I would have been given so much of importance.
As volunteers, we go every year in February to Barsana in the high camp. It's very close to my heart, and it's actually what I do in Barsana.
We've got this service of changing the clothes of the Brajvasis who come for their operation. So just before they go in the OT, we make them wear a gown, we make them wear a cap. I don't deserve this service, either there or here, but it's the most beautiful service that one can ever get.
Okay, so Lalita Sakhi was actually quite a difficult role because she is a boss lady, a lady who has a lot of control over Krishna and Radharani. Having control over two strong people is quite a thing. And I am not a boss lady. I don't like control people. I can't control people. I am an outspoken and a very bubbly, chirpy person in my real self, because I had to have that little attitude, that little a different body language where I'm like, no, like, you can't do this. There's too much nakhra. I do the nakhra, but I can't boss or control a person is what I'm saying. So there were little differences in the character. It was a difficult part, but I enjoyed doing it.
My name is Gaurangni Priya Sanjeev Chandnali और मेरा रोल लिटिल कृष्णा है.
And she's brilliant. Such a tiny soul, but such amazing talent.
Rasani Mataji is so natural, and every time, I admire her because every time she is Radharani or she's, she has this opulent role and she looks so good on stage and she's so graceful. The way she's pampering and Krishna is making all the drama on the stage is like beautiful. You know how Krishna Leela is.
The way he becomes, desperate to meet Srimati Radharani, or how Krishna is so attractive.
It really shows the innocence as well as the mischievous nature of Kanha at a young age.
मैं प्रसादम खाती हूँ, एक्टिंग करती हूँ और मेरे बाकी फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलती हूँ. पकड़ा पकड़ी, मैसेज चाइनीज विस्पर.
Radharani Mataji, I think you've been the pillar of the very foundation of this drama. And you've showed how to enact every dialogue, every word, how emotion should be during speaking, before speaking, after speaking, to really, really create that story.
She puts tremendous efforts. She is a flawless actress.
She will always bounce off ideas with the entire team, and that is what makes it like a very family and community oriented play.
Oh, she's one of the most wonderful, compassionate person I've known in my life. She's just a perfect person for me, and she's inspiring so many of us.
She is Radharani personified, only mercy and grace. And yes, she has that one as emotion of Radharani. When she gets angry, you have to see her. She goes all pink, red. But that is very rare. That is only once all throughout the whole drama practices that she has to manifest once.
And especially to be guided by Mataji is so beautiful, as if you're getting the guidance from your own mother.
This is one of the coolest drama director I have seen. She understands everybody's schedules, everybody's home responsibility. For example, some Mataji who has to cook and come for the practice, some Mataji who is doing job. She's very considerate to all her drama participants. Drama doesn't go well, people are not going to blame me. People are going to blame Radharani Priya Mataji. But she doesn't care for that. She cares for the devotees more. And this is very rare.
From an age of 5 to age of 65, if she has to manage that kind of a age group, you can imagine the challenges which she faces.
I've never seen a woman so powerful, yet so shy and elegant, yet so masculine too, because she has to be masculine, otherwise she can't, direct this entire thing.
वो बहुत अच्छे उनके साथ डायरेक्ट कर वो जब डायरेक्ट करते हैं तभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वो डांटते भी नहीं है, बहुत स्वीटली डायरेक्ट करते हैं ड्रामा को और समझाते भी बहुत अच्छे से हैं.
She understands, embodies the mood of Guru Maharaj. To showcase the glory of Barsana, it's not an easy task. Because it's her, I think we're all making a little humble effort to do this together.
For me, she is my mother, my guide, my mentor, my everything, my lifeline. She doesn't even consider a small role a small role. Like, she'll give importance to every character, every role. And this time, the amount of stress Mataji is going through, I think if I was in her place, I'd be like, boss, pack up karo, ye drama cancel karo. Mujhe nahi karna ye drama. I mean, as actors, all of us have given her so much anxiety. There was never a time where all of us as actors the whole group has been together. And her own personal, she's been going through a lot of emotional turmoil and a lot of difficulties herself. So, and she still comes for each and every practice on time and, smiling, and nobody even knows what she's going through. I really, really admire her for that.
Mataji had a desire to do this Barsana Eye Camp, and I'm so happy that it's happening. So when Radharani Priya Mataji is the director, I love to be somebody helping her out with, be it messaging on the group for coming, please come on time, to venues, to getting the sound checked, getting the music, lighting. I'd love to help her around because I personally feel I'm getting such a good learning. How does the drama work? So many components and elements in the drama, music, sound, light, every single thing. Also, serve Gurudev and Radha Gopinath and everyone by doing something little that I can. I'd like to talk about Premleela Mataji. She's the person behind me wanting and having an eagerness to do dramas. I remember very vividly how Premleela Mataji, the main director, was always sitting and, giving us how to do things and stuff. At that time, Radharani Priya Mataji was right next to her, always sitting and, just seeing, giving her inputs. It was a deep desire that I always wanted to become like Radharani Priya Mataji and Premleela Mataji, because dramas are something I enjoy doing. I love to be on stage. I like to act around and stuff. So when I was a kid, I think there was a seed which was sown, and it just it actually grew up to be into a plant where I feel as years passed, Radharani Priya Mataji sat on the main seat where Premleela Mataji was sitting, and Premleela Mataji very, very, very kindly helped us let these dramas continue even when she's not present in Mumbai.
Yeah, Jhanvi for sure. I mean, she has been rock solid by Mataji's side. And I have seen her as a kid. We used to play in the courtyard in Gopinath together and see her grow to become such a mature, such a sensible, such a responsible devotee. Hats off. Hats off to Meeta Mataji and Rajan Badia Prabhuji for, bringing her up in such an amazing way.
When people have been absent, and she's really helped me express my emotions.
She's staying by her words, what she has promised Premleela Mataji, and she's being there with Radharani Priya Mataji. I hope she can serve in better way ahead.
Whether it's Jhanvi, being Mataji's right hand, whether it's Sundari Manjari Mataji, who has no dialogues, but just behind, she's on the stage, whether there's so many children who have just one line.
Some of the people are working without any interest. They are working. I may not name them, but they would know.
Svanju Mataji, she's just, behind the stage getting the props ready. Priya Mataji, she's doing all the costumes. So they may not come on the stage, but their contribution is even more important than, those of us who are on the stage.
I'm just, if Mataji needs anything, I'm just with her, assisting her in wherever she wants me. Like the dresses we are doing for the cast. Some we are getting from the market, and some we are trying to tailor it ourselves.
And then there is a lot of brainstorming happening, and Radharani Priya Mataji, because scripturally she looks into each character, what will suit a character. That is her basic input, and then we do the matching and bolte na jugaad kar lete hain kabhi like that. The most difficult part of sourcing the costume is for each scene we try to have as many colors as possible. We have our Excel sheet where we write down who is going to dress up, what jewelry, what hair.
I think the first one would be to celebrate the fact that, Barsana Eye Camp has gone on for 25 years and it has helped so many people. And I feel like the stories, the storytelling is wonderful. It goes all the way from Radhanath Maharaj to Krishna and Barsana, and it weaves a very lovely story to help portray the essence of Barsana.
And the only promise which he made to Srila Prabhupada, this is Guru, was that at some point in time in life he would want to serve the Indian community in terms of bringing the Krishna consciousness into India and spread the true knowledge which Krishna himself has given to all of us through the scriptures and specifically Bhagavad Gita.
Like, I didn't want to come back, and I'm so grateful to Guru Maharaj and to Radharani Priya Mataji for giving us this opportunity to go and serve the Brajvasis. It's another world. And I just feel everyone should go there at least once to experience the simplicity, the bliss, the satisfaction that you get is to another level.
You get to touch their feet when you're making them wear their socks. It's a very intimate space because they're just about to go inside the operation theatre, so there's a lot of feelings that they're going through, and a lot of times they either share those feelings with you or they completely share their surrender to Srimati Radharani with you, where they say that I have no one, I've come here alone, I don't know what will happen of my eye, I don't even know whether if I'll be able to see after my operation is done, but I just know that she will take care of me. I know she will. If she's got me here, she'll get me through it. So that kind of surrender, shelter that you see from Brajvasis, it's very hope-giving, very inspiring.
Like, you talk to them, you wonder what world are they living in and how are they living like that? Their whole life revolves around Srimati Radharani. Bas Lali Shri Ji ke darshan karenge. Shri Ji, everything is Shri Ji for them.
Many of us, we really don't know how the Barsana Eye Camp had started, how much of efforts they have been put by the senior devotees and doctors and their families. So here we are just trying to glorify Vaishnavas and the devotees.
How our doctors, our devotees in Barsana are doing such an amazing job over there, without recognition, without any glorification. But, nobody even knows what they are doing and how much they are doing.
Srila Prabhupada has created this wonderful community or this wonderful culture where every talent or every ability that a devotee has can be dovetailed into the service of Krishna. So those who are amazing cooks, they will cook in Krishna's kitchen. Those who have a very good hand in dressing, they are able to offer worship at the altar. Those who have other talents like acting, they also have an opportunity to serve devotees in a unique way.
So that I think little bit of our karma also gets purified, because glorifying devotees actually is something that even Krishna loves.
Whatever little talent also you have, if you are able to serve or offer it in service of the devotees and the Lord, then at the end of the day, Guru Maharaj will be happy, Srila Prabhupada will be happy, and Radha Gopinath will be happy.
Another thing is, drama is the time when we all devotees meet regularly. You know, otherwise me meeting Advait Charan in the temple or Narsimhari Prabhu or even that for that matter Radharani Priya Mataji is like we are almost like neighbors in the same locality we stay.
In a city like Bombay, sometimes because of our individual roles in real life, you don't get so much time to interact with devotees.
But it's only during the drama we meet so many times.
We get a chance to meet seniors like Yuga Avatar Prabhu, Radharani Priya Mataji, and
I just love being with everybody and the whole, though I'm not doing anything.
Go through ups and downs, highs and lows of temperaments, yet we are all a family.
The bonding that we have, the understanding. I mean, everyone has a different nature, but just being together and taking everything forward is really nice.
इन सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I think I'm my best with them.
And we then chat, we talk about Krishna, he talks about what all lectures he's listening, and we talk to each other about our bhakti, about our chanting, about our health, about our diet.
Discussing costumes, discussing hair, discussing other things, discussing pastime, so many things.
Maharaj disciples who are around me are helping me become a better person. Just by sharing their energy, I'm becoming a better person every day, I would say.
And we come so close to each other about our job, about everything, 360 degrees of our life, including our devotional and material life. And there is such a bonding that is created in the drama. See, you may play a role of 1 minute, but the amount of time you spend with devotees, that creates nice bonding. And
It's been a very fantastic, wonderful experience with so many devotees around, the association which you get from them, the camaraderie which you have amongst the devotees.
From every devotee, you can learn so much. Everybody is so talented and everybody is very thoughtful and everybody is so loving and giving. There's no upadhis here. There's no positions here. There's no age here. Everybody is just together, and like I said, the mood is only for the serving for the pleasure of Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada and Radha Gopinath.
It's been interesting traveling around Mumbai, whether it's South Bombay, Parel, now we'll have one in Mahalakshmi. And on the final day at Birla Matushri, we had a lot of memories together, and I hope that we can continue making some in the next dramas coming forward. From laughing at each other during supposedly angry encounters to actually being able to, get through the scene without laughing. So yeah.
And the entire aura which created over the time as we started practicing, and now we are towards the end, I just don't want to stop coming for the practice. I want to come Saturday, Sunday, wherever you will go. Because I crave for this energy the entire week, and I feel that I'm home, because even though we are away from Vrindavan Dham, but when we do this entire drama, we are reconnected to Barsana Dham, Vrindavan Dham.
Let us please continue this association year after year, because this is the only opportunity we get to know all of us so closely, and that too we are from different walks of life in material life. But when we come together, we have just one purpose to serve, and which is to serve the mission of Shri Guruji, Gurudev and Gauranga.
I can only hope and pray that may our hearts always remain in Braj. May we never forget Braj. May we never forget Barsana. This mood of service that Guru Maharaj has given us, may we be able to always carry that in our heart and live by it.
Thank you all of you all for being there and tolerating me, I would say, because I am on their head for their costumes.
Thank you all. It's been a pleasure having this drama. I hope we worked hard, and I hope we get a standing ovation.
Thank you so much for, accepting me, making me a very insignificant part of the drama.
I'm happy that I can do something for Maharaj, for whom we are doing this entire drama festival.
after 15th of February, we all will be missing each other. almost like last 4-5 months we have been together and acting. So next day of drama, actually, we feel jobless. So my message to Radharani Priya Mataji and everybody is that from next month onwards, from March onwards, we should start preparing for the next drama. Meet once a month at least.
Which will happen next year.
Yeah, which will happen next year. But then two advantages: we keep on meeting once in a while, and towards the end we are not stressed out. But yeah, I'll be missing everyone.